Hey guys, welcome to another video. Kind of on a roll now, so I've put a few videos together. Hope you're enjoying them. Um, Probably one of the more hyped releases I've got in front of me here. We've got the Off-White collaboration with Nike, the Vapormax. This is, I guess, like the second collection. I'm not too familiar with these. This is the first pair I've owned of the Off-White series. Yes, I have tried on every single one of them, but I have struck out every time. So, I tried on the sneakers app. I got selected. I couldn't believe it at first. I was like, really? Like, people actually win these? You know how we feel when you never really get any luck on those. But, yeah, lucky. Very, very lucky to have these. If you If you're new to this video, or even if you're kind of familiar with my channel, I'm mostly like an Adidas guy. But I do have an appreciation for Nike, especially some of these collaborations. Yeah, that might make me a little bit of a hype beast, but I can just appreciate a nice shoe. And I hate when people go into the whole like, oh, is it as comfortable as Boost? I mean, they're all made for different purposes, so I take it for what it is. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the shoe. Now, some of the other shoes I've reviewed on here are pretty polarizing, like the Yeezy 500. People might not like that shoe or some of the Yeezys, but overall, I think this shoe has been well received. Maybe the Vapormax technology is the part that some people aren't really too big of a fan of, but yeah, so we got the Off-White Vapormax in white. Basically, we got the all-white fly knit. Usually used to saying prime knit. So you got the fly knit all the way around. Very, very nice. Very, very, very breathable. Perfect for the summer months. Some of my Ultra Boosts tend to get kind of warm, so I like that I have something to kind of change it up a bit. Hey, I live in Texas too, so I need any help I can get. So with this mesh, or with the fly knit kind of being, fully breathable. And actually, let me go ahead and take out this, what is it called? Plastic stuff, or a paper. You can see like right through it. So like depending what color socks you have, that wasn't a good example, but yeah, if you have like colorful socks, you can definitely see them through this. Over here we got kind of like this fused, kind of like gives it like a little bit of a shape to the shoe, and that kind of goes from here all the way around the heel, up top here, over the famous branding that we see on the collection, over the stripe, and then ends here, kind of goes around the toe, forms a little toe guard as well. The mesh here, or sorry, the suede here, very nice, kind of like in a, I think what they say, like a bone color. That kind of forms the lacing system here. And what really makes this shoe stick out for me, or this Vapormax stick out for me, is the tongue. I love how this shoe looks like with the tongue. I wish the regular Vapormax had the tongue, because when it's on foot, it looks amazing. I really love the way it looks. Of course, we have the white shoelaces with the quote, shoelaces end quote on there. We have the tag. All the pictures I've seen seem like seem like everyone just keeps this on there. You can definitely take it off if you want, but I'd probably take it off just because I might want to just like keep this in the collection or whatnot. We got the transparent swoosh here with the stitching all around it, and then we do have like the little orange tab, which I think kind of breaks up the the white and the bone colorway. Pretty nice. And then again, the quote, air end quote. On the bottom we have the Vapormax here. We got like the harder rubber portion here, here, and then yeah, just kind of clear. You have the Nike swoosh there. In addition, it does come with some very nice blue laces on there. I like how these look on the shoe. Can't really go wrong. It's nice to change it up every now and then, of course. On the inside, pretty simple. You have the Off-White branding, the tan. Not a lot of like cushion around here, but I have tried these on and they're very, very, very comfortable. I wouldn't be able to tell you if wearing them a full day is going to be all right, because sometimes you get some foot fatigue on some of these very like nice cushion shoes. But I think they really hit it off on this one. I tried for the black one. Like, I really wanted the black one because you can wear it a little bit more and not worry about getting it all dirty, which is probably the only thing that worries me with this shoe. Because I think these will hold, this Vapormax technology holds up pretty nicely. And I've seen where people try to puncture it with like a knife or glass, and I mean, it's pretty durable stuff. So really just the color, like keeping it nice and clean and keeping it fresh. This definitely screams summer shoe to me. Spring, you know, nice warm weather, throw these on. But yeah, taking them in the rain, because of all the opening and because of just, you know, getting like some dirt on there and mud in there, it's probably hard to clean. Even if you do spray some of that, you know, Jason Marks or what is it, the Crep Protect, I don't think it really works too well, or you have to spray like a ton of coats on this. So yeah, definitely check the forecast before you rock these. That's what I will be doing. Retail price $270 with tax. It was $250 retail, and then I think with tax it was like, I'm in Texas, so it was like $272 roughly. That's an expensive shoe. I usually try not to spend over like $220, but hey, for a shoe like this, why not? I mean, I don't have very many Nikes. I'm trying to branch out and try some more of these shoes out. In fact, I recently saw that they came out with the Presto, or they're coming out with the Prestos in the same like white and black, white version, black version. So it seems like that's what like the second season is, where they're gonna have, you know, the white one and the black one. So pretty interested in that, because I feel like you can match a whole bunch of outfits with that. But yeah, I'm not so knowledgeable when it comes to Nike. I'm trying to, you know, try some more of these out, and these are very hard to get though. Resale price, I think it's hovering around like $550 right now. So I would think it might go up a little bit, but I'm not too sure how limited these are. But yeah, if you have any other questions, let me know. I'll throw in some extra photos here of some more of the details. Thanks for stopping by. I definitely appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. Trying to put out a little more content, a little more frequently, and yeah, thanks for tuning in.
Soul number 338.